Hello, nama saya Muhammad Syamsuddin bin Abdurrahman. Saya daripada grup 6 dan kini saya akan menerangkan introduction dan simulation dan juga tajuk bagi mini project embedded system application kami. Baiklah, bagi introduction. Nowadays, traffic light is prominent because car is used everywhere in the world. The traffic light keeps the road safe and civilized and keeps less deaths from happening. A road signal for directing vehicular traffic by means of colored lights, typically red for stop, green for go, and yellow slow down to stop. Also called a stoplight, the traffic signal. Why those colors, though? Why not blue, purple, and brown? From a hunch that it had to do with human wavelengths. The earliest traffic signals were designed for trains, not cars. They were red, green, gas-powered, and more than a little dangerous in the event of a leak. And this project aims to replicate the basic mechanism of a traffic light that is present everywhere in the road, except it is simpler and with some add-ons. Okay, the objective, one of the most prominent objective of this mini project is to investigate internal feature of PIC 16F or PIC 18F to interface property with external devices, and then design embedded system application based on PIC 16F or PIC 18F microcontroller effectively, construct and simulate real-time embedded system application based on PIC 16F or PIC 18F microcontroller effectively, demonstrate knowledge of engineering project management principles through a written report on an assignment project. Okay, so the scope of this project is to create a traffic light system with a mode display using LCD and produce sound using buzzer. And the traffic light system workflow is starting from normal routine, that is traffic light vehicle mode or the green light basically. When interrupt occur, pedestrian mode with buzzer that produce beep sound once, and LCD display which display every mode of traffic light, and then return to normal routine when the interrupt ends. Loop, this process is loop, and we are using the PIC 18F 445 1880 microcontroller for the system, and we are also using I/O and interrupt as internal feature. All circuit construction, code simulation, results, and analysis are done in virtually. No physical project including its observation due to pandemic. Simulation is done in MPLAB X and Proteus, which the simulation result including explanation are provided via YouTube and the links in the appendix section. As for the simulation, because of the pandemic, this project could only be done in simulation, so there will be no physical project. Okay, so this is the circuit that has been constructed and the code hasn't been loaded inside the PIC and have not simulated yet. And so we move on. So we load the code into the PIC and then simulation start. From the screenshot below, the first traffic light, which is for vehicle, is in normal routine while the pedestrian traffic light is on idle mode, red. The LCD also still shown the mode of traffic light. No interrupt happened yet. So this means no civilian. So this means no civilians presses the stop button or the interrupt button. Okay, so when the switch is pressed, a single beep is produced by the buzzer. There's a short LCD display where indicates the buzzer beep. The main traffic light turns into red, as you can see here. After the beep, the pedestrian traffic light turns green with LCD display also change to display the current traffic light mode. This happened for only 5 seconds. Okay, so this is the pedestrian traffic light that turns green. And then this is the LCD display that display what mode is it on now. On this part, interrupt occur at pin B1, which switch the traffic light mode to pedestrian. Okay, so moving on. After 5 seconds pass, there's a short new LCD display that tells the traffic light system about to go to its normal routine, which indicates the traffic light mode changing to vehicles. After that short display, the main traffic light normal routine starts while pedestrian reverts back to red, as we can see here, waiting for the next button push. On this part, INT1F is cleared and interrupt is ready to use for the next cycle. Okay, so this is the LCD showing it's back to the vehicle mode or normal mode, and while here we can see the pedestrian mode is on red because the button is not push. And that is all from me. Thank you, and I will give this part to my friend.
Hai, nama saya Eric Serrell. Hari ini saya akan terangkan apa yang berlaku dalam kod untuk mini project kami. So, untuk bahagian pertama sekali, kita ada include suitable library iaitu xc.h dan stdio.h. Ini adalah library biasa dan ini untuk kita gunakan untuk LCD nanti. So, ini adalah PIC 18F4580 configuration bit. Bahagian sini pula ialah kita define X-style iaitu frekuensi yang kita gunakan iaitu 20 MHz. Bahagian sini pula ialah untuk LCD pin setting, untuk LCD kita punya pin lah setting. Dan sini adalah function-function yang kita redefine kat atas untuk digunakan ke dalam main ataupun interrupt kita nanti. So, masuk kepada setup. Untuk function pertama kita sebelum kita masuk main ialah void setup. Void setup di sini ialah untuk kita set pin input output. Kita gunakan trees di C untuk traffic light biasa, pedestrian dan buzzer kat 7. And then interrupt configuration, global interrupt enable bit, interrupt external bit input, lepas tu flag bit kita clear. Dan inter G1 ialah untuk dia punya enable interrupt. And then bahagian initial condition bit ni adalah masih kita simulate nanti, dia punya output nanti semua disetkan kepada 0, iaitu tiada apa-apa berlaku di luar. Ini untuk elakkan dia ada error nanti masa dia main traffic light. And then LCD start ialah function LCD untuk kita start LCD tersebut. So kita masuk kepada interrupt dulu, bahagian function interrupt. So di sini kita ada ISR checker. Itu di mana kalau butang tu ditekan, dia akan gaskan, maksudnya dia akan panggil di function iaitu pedestrian go untuk mulakan pedestrian punya lampu syarat. So apa yang berlaku di sini adalah LCD clear lah untuk dia clear LCD tu masa berlaku dalam main. Dan lat sini untuk bahagian nomor traffic light, dan sini dia akan matikan traffic light punya lampu. Bahagian sini pula adalah dia punya LCD punya paparan, dan sini untuk start dia punya pedestrian lampu. Delay selama 5 saat. Bila dia start dia akan beep, and then dia tukar hijau di bawah sini, dia display lagi LCD punya display baru, dan seterusnya dia startkan green hijau. Dan selama 5 saat di sini. Ini adalah untuk semati buzzer. Dan selepas 51 dia clear dan dia start display baru untuk kasih tahu kita mode vehicle akan start. Dan di bawah sini adalah lampu isyarat punya setting lagi untuk dia ada cooldown 500 millisecond supaya dia akan cooldown untuk tukar pergi mode vehicle balik. Dan kita clear dia punya flag. So seterusnya kita masuk kepada function LCD. Apa function ini untuk LCD? So LCD ini adalah untuk kita start LCD kita. Untuk LCD data ialah untuk kita hantar data ke LCD. Tapi menggunakan kami guna patch, kami tidak akan menggunakan LCD data, kami guna patch untuk gunakan printf. Itulah kami guna stdio.h punya library untuk guna printf. So next, LCD command untuk kita send command tu kepada LCD. Tapi Ini pun kami tidak guna, kami letak saja untuk supaya dia tidak error kalau buang. Next, LCD cruiser-nya untuk set di mana string data yang kita antar tadi dia akan display di LCD. Dan LCD clear untuk clear LCD main display. And then last function sekali, function LCD ini adalah LCD clear, maksudnya N sudah LCD. Dan delay function yang untuk digunakan untuk delay dalam LCD ini, function LCD. Seterusnya kita move kepada main function. Di sini main function dia setup kita include, kita panggil function setup tu supaya kasih asing dia dari main space sedang kita debug kalau ada apa-apa bug. And then selagi lat 6C ini ialah pedestrian punya lampu tu tidak hijau, dia akan loop. Ini maksudnya code yang dalam void main ni, while dia adalah untuk normal traffic light. Jadi bila dia nampak di 6 tu, L6 dia tidak hijau, selagi dia tidak hijau di pedestrian punya lampu, selagi itu dia akan loop. Start cruiser, dia akan tulis vehicle mode, and then traffic light normal sequence kita start dari merah, dia hijau, merah balik, kuning, dan merah balik. So itu sya untuk explanation code ni, dan itu sya dari saya. Sekian, terima kasih.
Hi, my name is Muhammad bin Elias, study TTK 4A, section 1. So conclusion, to summarize, we discussed in group to think of this project so that during the project making, we can investigate the internal feature of PIC 18F by interfacing its property with external device. Other than that, for this mini project, we designed a MDAN system application which is simple traffic light system with LCD display and sound, based on the PIC 18F microcontroller effectively. With the mini project that we designed, we are also able to construct and simulate it virtually based on the PIC 18F microcontroller effectively. Finally, we also demonstrating the complete mini project via YouTube to show our understanding and application of our knowledge to the microcontroller, including preparing this Python report for the assignment mini project. That's all from our group. Thank you.